been a shocking incident that has been reported from Telangana, where a cab driver apparently killed his wife by strangulation and then later cut up the body in multiple pieces before dumping them in the Musi River. Now, the man who murders his wife, what is being said over an argument and then disposes body parts in the river, what is now being said that the Medipalli police has now arrested the accused. Let's get in a word from Somit now. Shocking murder case that has now been reported. Somit, what is the incident that has now come to light as far as man killing his wife and then chopping her body in multiple parts?
Well, see, very unfortunate incident, Amita, and where actually this accused man kills her. She was pregnant at that time, and she was killed. Her body parts were chopped, and later, he has executed the murder plan, and it was a cold-blooded murder, and he later threw the body parts in the Musi River. So police now, Malkajgiri police, Rajakonda police have arrested the accused, and also even DCP has, spoken on this matter, responded on this matter, and stated that, the victim was 5 months pregnant when this incident happened, and she was brutally murdered by the accused person, and the incident happened around 4:30 p.m. on Saturday when this, accused who works as a driver in a company murdered his 21-year-old wife, throttling her, and later he chopped the body parts in the residence itself. Then later he took those body parts carried those body parts near the Musi River, and then he threw those body parts into the Musi River, and he came back to his residence. However, police has cracked this incident, cracked this case, and stated that basically it was planned murder, and accused packed the body parts separately in small plastic covers and went to river 2 to 3 times, actually 3 times, and then he threw those body parts into the river. So basically he did it with precision, and it was a cold-blooded murder, and the accused has been arrested and charged under the 11 sections of BNS Act, and he will be produced before the court and will be sent to the judicial prison, is what
Absolutely horrifying there. As a pregnant woman was murdered, her body was mutilated, was dismembered by a husband in Medipalli. As far as the man is now consumed, the accused in the case, what is being said that he murdered his wife right after an argument that happened, has now taken into custody. This gruesome scene that has now been witnessed when the man disposed of the body parts of his wife in the Musi River.